Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Kadambini Srushti. So do you like gifts? Yes, tell me. Yes, I know everyone likes gifts. So today I have a gift for you. Now guess what must be the gift? Yes, let me open it. Yes, so I have a gift. Now what is it? Yes, so this is class 9 English book of Odia medium, that is Skills of Communicative English. Yes, I am glad to inform you that we have started making videos on class 9 chapter. So here we will discuss the first chapter of this book. Now guess what is the name of this chapter? Yes, the priceless gift. पिलामाने इंग्लिश रे कहिले तुमको कष्ट लगुची किंतु इंग्लिश रे सुनिले आ इंग्लिश रे बुझिया पई चेष्टा कले ही तुम इंग्लिश सिखि परिबो नहले इंग्लिश सिखि होबो तुमे माने एबे अष्टम रु नवम श्रेणी को आछन निश्चित भाबरे दिस चैप्टर इज ए डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू बट आई विल स्पीक इन इंग्लिश आ ओडिया रे मध्ये किछि किछि कहिबी तमे जोठी न बुझी पारुचो कौन मु ब्लैक बोर्ड रे लिखिची ताकू देखि बुझिया पई चेष्टा करिवो ओके सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द चैप्टर बिफोर गोइंग टू द वीडियो वन रिक्वेस्ट इफ यू want to watch such learning videos then like comment share and subscribe the channel okay my dear students let us see how does the chapter begin so the first sentence of the chapter is I went to a vegetarian restaurant. So this is a story. Story means we have a time, then place, then characters. These are the three things that we have to keep in mind while discussing the chapter. Okay, so let us begin the chapter. So mark it, my dear students, here I means who. So I is the first character who is the writer. Okay, so here we get the first character that is I or the writer. Now you just tell me what is the place. Here the place is a vegetarian restaurant. Okay, now what is the writer doing there? The writer is sitting in a corner table. Okay, before that let me remind what is the type of the restaurant. Here the type of the restaurant is vegetarian. The restaurant is vegetarian. Okay, now you tell me what must be there. You can find fish, meat, egg. Yes. No. These things are not available in these restaurants. Here you will get only the vegetarian things. Now what is the writer doing here? Now the writer is sitting in a corner table. Then doing what? Reading a newspaper. How he is reading the newspaper? He is just skimming. Okay, what is the meaning of skimming? Skimming means reading thoroughly. Okay, my dear students, so what we have to understand here, the first thing is what is the place? Yes, vegetarian restaurant. And the second thing is who is the first character? Yes, I means the writer. Suddenly the writer noticed something. Now what is that? That is a girl sitting in the restaurant. Now why the writer looked at her? Because that girl is just looking at the writer in a curious manner. Here the girl is asking to the cashier. What does she ask? Okay, now the question is what is the emotion of the girl? She is happy or sad? Yes, the girl is sad. And with that curiosity, the girl asks to the cashier, is that gentleman an Indian? Now what does the cashier replies? Here the cashier says, I think so. So what is the meaning of I think so? Yes or no? Yes. So here it signifies something towards yes. Because of his look of the writer को देखिले से जने इंडियन भले जाना पड़छन. Now you just tell me who must be surprised with this activity of the girl. Yes, the writer. Now the writer is surprised and he also curious to know about the girl, why that girl is just inquiring about me. So this curiosity continued for some time among the writer as well as the girl. So after this, the writer asked a question to the waiter. So what is the question? Here the writer asked, so do you know the girl who was sitting out there? Now what does the waiter replies? Here the waiter says, no sir, I don't know her. She only comes on payday. Now you just mark what is the meaning of payday. Pilamane payday. Pay means getting the salary. So when someone gets the salary, that day is known as the payday. So in foreign रे तांकर कौन हुए? They get money after a week. गोटे week रे तांको दरमा मिले. आमर जेमती गोटे मास परे दरमा मिले. So they get money after a week, and that day, that is the Saturday. So they call Saturday as their payday. Okay, so in this way, the first meeting of Mr. Gupta and the girl is over. So this is a strange meeting between these two characters. So writer and the girl. Now let us see what happens next. So after 1 week, that is again the same day, Saturday, and the same restaurant, vegetarian restaurant. Here again these two characters, they meet each other during the lunch time. Now here the writer, he just started from the beginning to talk to the girl, and so he said that good afternoon, okay, to the girl, and the girl also replies again gote week pore. These two characters, Mr. Gupta and the girl, seman di jana sei restaurant re again they meet. So what do they talk? So after some time of conversation, what happened? The girl just asked some of the questions to the writer. So what are these questions? The first one is, are you an Indian? He just says that my brother is in India. Why? Because my brother is a soldier. And the thing is, we have not got any information from him since a long. बहुत दिन हेलानी आमे आम भाई ठार किछि भी खबर भाई विषय पाई पारु नाहु. Okay, so now you just think what is the reason due to which the girl was sad and just curious to talk to this man. Okay, एथर जानी परचो काहे कि जेटी बहुत इगर थिला कोन करिया पई कथा हबा पई. So they two just took the lunch sitting opposite to each other, and after completion of their lunch they just left the place. And where do they go? So by talking, the writer asked a question. Now may I know your name? Then the girl says that my name is Maggie. Now it is clear that the name of the second character is Maggie. So in this way they just went near the bus stand, and just by walk they reached the house of Maggie, and Maggie opens the door with a key, and they just entered into the house. So after some time there came another character. Now who is that character? Yes, that character is Mrs. Bethy. Now who is Mrs. Bethy? Mrs. Bethy is the mother of Maggie. Okay, so after that, now you just imagine again the place changes and the person also changes. So when Maggie entered into her house with the writer, that is Mr. Gupta, then there they meet their mother, that is Mrs. Bethy, who is an old woman. Here there is a conversation between these three persons. Now let us see what does Maggie say. So Maggie just announced before her mother that, mother, you just see that an Indian gentleman has come to see you. Now you just see the same eagerness that is there with Maggie is also there with Mrs. Bethy. So Mrs. Bethy, he just say, where is he? And then Mr. Gupta just says that, how do you do? That is the introduction between Mr. Gupta and Mrs. Bethy. And then Mrs. Bethy just said, excuse me. So why she wants to be excused? Because her hands are just covered with floor. That means she is doing something in the kitchen. So she said that my hands are covered with flour. So this is the way we make our living. That means she is doing something, and by selling that they will earn money. So in this way we just spend our life only during the end of the week, that is on Saturday and Sunday, and we just have some fun and spend some amount during these 2 days of the week. Here the part 1 of this chapter ends, and we will discuss the next part in the next video. So till then, keep watching, keep learning, stay safe, stay home. We will be right back with a new video of this chapter. We have already made so many videos of class 10. So if you want to see that, you can go to the link and you can get these links in the description box. So till then, goodbye, take care.